So guys, are you also confused about the reducing agents used in organic chemistry? So here is the list. Lithium aluminium hydride and di-BAL-H can reduce all of them except double bond. But अगर आपके double bond के beta position पे phenyl group present है, तो lithium aluminium hydride will happily reduce it. Coming to sodium borohydride, it can reduce aldehydes, it can reduce ketones and acid chloride. लेकिन double bond only in enal. Raney nickel and pelletized charcoal can only reduce aldehydes, ketones and double bond. A very important concept for your JEE and NEET exam. So keep following us for more such videos.